Here's Chloe, and whenever there's music, she'll dance. Ready, Chloe? Pretty. Colton can't be left out. You want another song? Can you come pick it? Chloe, come pick the song. Chloe, come pick the song. Put it in. Push. She most likes to twirl. Yeah, let's do another one. Are you dancing? Can you put your arms in the air? Yay!
Poppy, another one.
One more. Ready? Go out there and dance. Go dance. No more dancing? All done? No more dancing? One more?
Duck.
That's if you're happy and you know it. That's right. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.